Hello, my name is Andrew White, and I'm going to talk through the current keyword support in Oasys LS-DYNA environment version 19. In Primer 19, the vast majority of LS-DYNA version R12 and R13 keywords in volumes 1, 2, and 3 of the keyword manuals is fully supported. One exception to this is that a few R13 acoustic-related cards are not yet supported, but will be in future versions of Primer. The default LS-DYNA output version has been changed from R9 to R11, as this is currently the most commonly used. However, this can be changed to earlier or later versions, including R13 and even the latest development version. The output version can be saved using a preference. Validity checks have been added for all new keywords. Also, warnings are displayed on model checking if the current output version does not support the keywords contained in the model. These output version warnings will also appear on writing. In THIS 19, support has been added for 6 new control energy components for new parameters MATN, DISN, and DRLEN, which compute material, dissipation, and drilling energies. As shown on the graph, the internal energy is split into 3 different energies: plastic, elastic, and damage. Note that the dissipation energy and drilling energy fields currently only appear in the development version of the keyword manual and so are not yet supported in Primer. As a reminder, you can open the currently supported LS-DYNA manuals from within Primer by clicking the small K button in the top right of keyword or edit panels. Also, in THIS 19, support has been added to the discrete beams menu for 15 new components, including forces and moments, shown here on the right. Furthermore, a new cylindrical subtype has been added to the joints menu with 16 new components. In the joint subtype, a new energy component has been added, and support has been added to the subsystem menu for 4 new mass and inertia subtypes with 26 new components. Thank you.